everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Yuja on your computer, and I'm on a Mac, but hopefully this is similar on a PC. So the first step is in Canvas. You're going to click on a course, and then from the course navigation list on the left, select Yuja. Now that we're on the media library screen, we're going to select Create Recording. And from here, we're going to select Download and Install. And right now, Yuja's downloading the installer to my computer, and it's giving me instructions to run it after it's been downloaded. So here it is in my download area here of the browser, but if it doesn't show up, you can always search for it in your downloads folder. So on a Mac, I just click my Finder, click on my Downloads folder, and there it is, Yuja Software Package. So I'm going to double click on it to open it, and then follow the instructions. So I'm going to click OK here, then Continue, then Install, and here I need to put in my computer password. And that's it. It's successfully installed on my computer, and it even opened up, so I'm ready to record at this point. That's it. Thanks for watching.